Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME V60 Pro, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen and tap on this settings icon. Now we have to tap on languages and tap on add keyboard. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which you can choose. You can scroll or you can search the language, simply enter the name of it and tap on it after finding. Now we can choose the keyboard type, so just mark the option you want to use and tap on done. And before I'll show you how to remove the language, to leave only one applied, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. So simply use this language key and the globe icon to change the keyboard layout. And the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So all we have to do to remove the language is to enter the settings again, tap on the languages and tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Mark the language and tap on the trash bin icon, and as you can see we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.